Hello, welcome to this video on the technique 3 breaths to calm. Your aromatherapist may have offered you some aroma sticks to choose one that is your preferred aroma. And so in using your aroma stick, it's useful to actually focus in on using a technique to get the most benefit. So, having been offered an aroma stick, chosen one that's your winner, and then I'd invite you to focus on breath as you're using the aroma stick. So, you may want to begin with taking a sip of water to refresh your senses. And then when you're ready to go, hold the aromatic just below your nose, take a nice comfy breath in, and then breathe out, letting go of all the tension, sitting back in your chair. And then when you're ready to go again, just take a breath without the aromatic. So and then release the breath. Now, this is because the aroma will have lingered from that first breath. So we're layering it and building it up. So when you're ready to go for the second one with the aroma stick, take a nice comfy breath in and release the breath. Again, letting go of tension. In between, take that nice in between breath and release, letting go of all the tension, letting it melt away. Feel your shoulders drifting down. And then when you're ready to go again, take the aroma stick under the nose, take a nice comfy breath in, and release the breath. Now you might notice that I'm smiling when I do this, and that's because when we breathe in and smile together, it opens up the nasals, so able to take in that gorgeous aroma that you've chosen today. So we'll just do that again, okay? Remembering to breathe in between and noticing the layering of the aroma. So by the third breath, you should get a residual aroma. Okay, when you're ready, take a comfy breath in and then release the breath. And then when you're ready to do that in between breath and release, allowing your body to sink and soften. Second one and release. And then again, remembering to breathe in between and release. So we're doing third breath to calm. Savor all those gorgeous aromas and release. You could, of course, do 4 or 5 breaths, but 3 will give you a nice process of breathing in between, layering that aroma, one breath after the other. So we call it the 3 breaths to calm, but it could be 3 breaths to ease into sleep, 3 breaths to relax. So you may want to use it before going to bed, or you might want to use it before a procedure. Your aromatherapist might have suggested a frequency during the day. So go forth and enjoy your aroma stick. And I'll take one more comfy breath and release and calm.